Hi everyone, welcome to Science Introduction. As you know, this week we're going to begin with our science. So, when you hear the word science, lots of things probably come to your mind. Maybe stuff like experiments that we did together in our classroom. Maybe you're thinking of planets, or you might be even thinking of a life cycle of a butterfly. So what is science? We are interested in knowing what you think. So tell us. Do you think science is learning about plants and animals and rocks and planets? Or maybe you think science has a lot of facts and hard vocabulary words. You might even think science is all about boring stuff I don't care about. I like art and social studies and music a lot better. Well, none of these answers are wrong. Science involves all of these things. But still, we need a definition of science that we can all share. That way we know we are all talking about the same thing. The definition I have for you is that science makes knowledge that humans, us, use to understand things and events in the natural world. Now, as you can see, I have the word knowledge underlined. Maybe I want to bring attention to it? As we all know, the Lord is a God of knowledge. With Him, actions are weighed. So it's very important to remember that the knowledge that science talks about is God's knowledge. Our God is a God of knowledge. And not just that, God is the creator of all things. In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth. Genesis 1:1. And we also have to remember that man has been given the authority to explore, develop, and reign over the earth for God's glory. Remember Genesis 1:28, God says, "Then God blessed them and said, 'Be fruitful and multiply, fill the earth and govern it. Reign over the fish in the sea, the birds in the sky, and all the animals that scurry along the ground.'" So God gave us the authority to take care of all this that He created, okay, and reign over it. So that means if we learn science, we will learn how to take care of what God created and entrusted to us. For example, we will learn how to make medicine so we can take care of the sick, how to take care of resources, water, land, and air. We will also learn how to see God's perfect work through all the creations that surround us. Well, let me give you some examples of the perfect creations of God. What do you think of water cycle? How perfect is that? Or how about the solar system? Our planets perfectly orbit the sun, and for that we have seasons, day and night. Wow, isn't that amazing? Another great example of perfect creations of God are all the different animals and planets that were perfectly created by our God. All right, I know I could continue on and on talking to you about the perfections that God created. But now that we have definition for science that we can all share, I have this independent work for you. In Schoology, you'll find a discussion question, and you need to find one Bible verse that supports this statement, because this could be another great definition for science. And that is that science is the study of God's order, provision, and nature. So go and open your Bibles, find a Bible verse that supports this statement. Share that in your discussion question in Schoology and send that to your teacher. Well, everyone, thank you for joining me. Thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoyed this introduction, and I will see you in my next video next week. Bye! God bless you all.